And we hit the jackpot. Let's go. Okay, so these sounds like these that he's about to do. Like this one. I just need to let it out. Watch this one. A burp. The next thing you know, he's sick today, so guess what I think he's gonna do? Okay. Wait. No! All over my shoes! There are no shoes! Why would you... Ah! My other shoe! Why are you doing this to me? You suck! Oh! I hate these sounds. All these sounds make me wanna... just barf out... Yes, those! It makes me wanna barf out my guts. Eat it back up. And then just like... Oh, it's disgusting. Wait. Oh, why? I'm back. You know what? Actually, let me get some headphones. And if you put on headphones right now, you'll see how I hear it.
You suck. Excuse me.
You're disgusting.
Uh-oh.
Huh. Farts. Farts? I hate farts. Farts? I hate farts. Oh my God.
I wanna scream and shout and let it all out. And scream and shout and let it out. We saying oh, we oh, we oh, we oh. We saying oh, we oh, we oh, we oh. I wanna scream and shout and let it all out. And scream